Life after a heart attack, heart surgery, or heart disease can be challenging.
So what we do is we have individuals that have had a cardiac event.
But a new program at the Healthy Life Center is offering people connection, education, and support.
With this group, it provides them with some social support. They will meet individuals that have had the same struggle, have been on that same journey, and they support one another. They encourage one another, connect one another.
Personal health advocate Michelle Hudson facilitates the Cardiac Connection program.
This is a new program that is offered here at the Healthy Life Center, and it is in collaboration with our Phase 3 Cardiac Maintenance Program, and it was designed for those that are making and maintaining heart-healthy lifestyle changes.
The group meets once a month to discuss a variety of topics, including heart failure education, how to have a healthy heart diet, and how physical activity and meditation can benefit your heart, and the importance of medication.
Each month we have a different education topic, and it typically will center around a lifestyle change or a cardiovascular disease risk factor.
Anyone participating in cardiac rehabilitation or who has risk factors for cardiovascular disease is welcome to attend Cardiac Connection.
It's hard, but when they can encourage one another and they can celebrate their successes, it's just inspiring and encouraging.
A comfortable way to get education and support to help you live a heart-healthy life. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.